The domain name system, or DNS, is the naming system for devices connected to the internet or a private network. It works by associating the information with the domain names assigned to each of the participating entities. Most notably, DNS is instrumental in the translation of vital IP addresses. It is possible to locate and identify computer services and devices with the fundamental network protocols with the IP addresses. More simply put, the domain name system provides a globally distributed directory service and has been an essential component key to the internet since 1985. Computer users may sometimes encounter an error message that states that the DNS server isn't responding. This message indicates a serious issue, as the error will prevent the user from opening any website. The causes for the actual error are varied and can indicate anything from issues on the DNS server side to hardware problems with the user's router or software issues within the user's browser. Should you encounter this error message, you should first try switching to a different browser to see if that will allow you access to websites. If that doesn't work, you should see if you have missed any recent browser updates and immediately download and install them. For those viewers that may be a bit more tech savvy, they may want to try to change the default DNS server to a different one, possibly the public DNS service provided by Google. Additionally, in order to test if the problem is caused on the hardware end, users should first restart their router, and if that doesn't help, switch to another router device altogether. Other options to fix this problem include opening your computer using safe mode, temporarily disabling firewall and antivirus software, disabling secondary connections, disabling peer-to-peer features in Windows, updating network adapter drivers, and flushing the DNS cache and resetting your IP address. If these methods fail, it is advised that you scan your computer for malware using a reputable malware remediation program. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like SpyHunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. SpyHunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. SpyHunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the SpyHunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. SpyHunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download SpyHunter today. Thanks for watching.